Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the tropical vibes with a review of Alani BCAA in the flavor Hawaiian shaved ice. This product promises to bring the taste of a summer vacation while supporting muscle recovery and hydration. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. Alani always does a great job with their bright and eye-catching designs. This one definitely gives off those tropical, beachy vibes that make you want to dive right in. Now, let's take a look at what's inside. Each serving of Alani BCAA Hawaiian shaved ice contains 5 grams of BCAAs in a 2:1:1 ratio, which is great for muscle recovery. It also includes electrolytes to help keep you hydrated during your workouts. Plus, it's sugar-free and only has 10 calories per serving. Alright, now for the fun part, the taste test. I've got my shaker bottle here, and I'm going to mix 1 scoop of the powder with water. Let's shake it up and see how it tastes. Wow, that's really refreshing. The Hawaiian shaved ice flavor is sweet and fruity, with a nice balance that isn't overpowering. It definitely reminds me of those classic summer treats you get at the beach. I could see myself enjoying this during or after a workout. In terms of mixability, the powder dissolves pretty well in water. There are no clumps or residue, which is always a plus. A smooth drink makes it much more enjoyable. I've been using Alani BCAA Hawaiian shaved ice for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it really does help with muscle soreness and recovery. The added electrolytes also make a noticeable difference in keeping me hydrated, especially during those intense workout sessions. Delicious and refreshing flavor, good mixability, effective BCAA ratio for muscle recovery, added electrolytes for hydration, sugar-free and low-calorie. The flavor might be a bit too sweet for some, limited availability in some regions. Overall, I think Alani BCAA Hawaiian shaved ice is a great addition to your supplement stack if you're looking for a tasty and effective BCAA option. So there you have it, folks. Alani BCAA Hawaiian shaved ice gets a thumbs up from me. If you're a fan of tropical flavors and need a boost for your workouts, definitely give this one a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.